Hi everyone. Today I'm going to present to you about the integration of an intelligent decision support system for customer relationship management in Walmart. So as you can see in the slide, today I'm going to talk about these points. First, I give a brief introduction about Walmart. Then I talk about the background of the problem. So then I move for the solutions and I explain what is a decision support system. As the fifth one, I explain you about the materials and methods. Then I explain you about the integration of the decision support system. As the latter part, the conclusions and the recommendations. First, I move for the introduction part. You all know that the Walmart is a world famous business. It considered as the world biggest retail businesses. It was started by Sam Walton in 1962. We all know that in the beginning they only had 9 stores, but now they have more than 200 stores. So they use some marketing strategies to enhance their market, and the longest name Walmart has become the Walmart. Today, they are come across with the slogan "Save money and live better." So I move for the background of the problem. You all know that the pandemic had created several impacts towards the businesses, not only for the businesses, but also for the society. In that situation, Walmart also had some huge impact towards them because the health restrictions and travel restrictions has uh, made a huge challenge for the customers. So more customers purchase their items using online purchasing modes. So in that situation, even though they had several systems to manage the finance, manage their HR, manage the operations, but they did not have a system to manage their customers. So they need a system to manage their custom. That was their biggest problem. So let's know about what are the solutions. As I can see in the slide, they come across with three solutions. First one is strengthen the customer relationship management. To do that, they need to find the best choice for the customers. To find the best choice, they need to create a decision support system. So, what is a decision support system? So, a decision support system is a computer software that assists a company or organization in making decisions and planning its activities. Apart from that, a decision support system have many key functions like evaluating data and providing information, and also they making appropriate decisions, and also they solve the problems. So, what are the materials and methods they use? Walmart used different researchers, different surveys to make the best solution. For that, they use different researchers. One of that is the proportion of United States grocery spend made online. In this image, you can clearly see how from 2010 to 2022, how the way how the gradual increasement of the customer purchasing online. It's a gradual increasement. It shows that market also has expand than before. I mean the online market. So this shows that any business should be digitalized because the world has been digitalized than before. So any business should consider about more their customers, and the business should make more attention towards their customers with the change of the behavior. So next we move for the integration of the decision support system. Uh, in here they use two things, which mean hybrid method. They use a combination of artificial intelligence and they use knowledge driven system to make the best solution. In this image also shows how they use their deep learning to make the smart substitution for their customers. We know that with the increasement of the demand for any item, the stocks run out. Then how a customer choose a suitable thing for them. To ease that, they use AI technology. Next, we move for further details. The decision support system, it consists with three main components. The first one is the database. A database is a collection of the data of customers. Uh, they about the personal data, their contacts, their communication methods, their preference, and what are the things they purchase, between purchasing history and how they respond for the company. Those are the things in the database. In the second main component is the software. And the third one is the user interface. It means the dashboard and other tools. So let's arrive for the conclusion part. What I have discussed so far is that the pandemic had several impacts towards the business. So in that era, the Walmart also had a biggest challenge how they can manage their customers because there are so many purchasing and also they did not have a system for that. So that was the biggest problem. So that they decided to make a decision support system using AI technology and using knowledge-driven systems. So they able to give their optimal options to the customers and they change their status for the betterment of the customers because the customer is the important factor for any business. Without the customer, business can't survive. And they offer a very good place. It means they offer a very good place for their customers. They can buy anything, anywhere, at any time. So, as the latter part, I come to the recommendations. In here, I have mentioned 6 recommendations. The first one is to encourage consumers to shop for groceries online. We know that although there are more customers who are shop using online method, but there are some customers who are preferred to go in store and shopping. So that should be changed. We should, as a business, we should encourage customers to shop more items via online. And the second one is the increase in the number of possible pickup time slots. Then the third one is to keep the system up to date. You know that any system should be up to date because of for the security purposes and without any errors to perform better, there should be the system up to date. And the fourth one is increase the member loyalty reward programs. We know that if the business have frequent customers, we should categorize them, we should identify them clearly, and any business should give there are more focus for them by giving prices, discounts, bonuses, free deliveries, and offer so many things for them. And with that, a business can create a good customer base for their business. And the fifth one is implement variable-based offering strategies. And the last one, the sixth one is encourage online events. We know that today's world is almost all the things are online. And by using live events, live sessions, game shows, the business, the company can contact their customers very well and the company can engage with their customers very well. So we should encourage online events more for attract more customers towards the business. So now is the time to see what I have already shared with you so far. That concludes my presentation today. I hope you all got a clear understanding about what I have talked so far and get a clear visualization about that. So, thank you everyone and have a good day to all.